Hello my friends, welcome to a new video. Today I will trade on this platform which is Olymp Trade. If you haven't opened an account on this broker, I will teach you step by step how to do it since the beginning. Below you can find a complete tutorial about this platform step by step. Okay guys, with this trading strategy which I'm going to apply today, this is a very good trading strategy using the Bollinger Band and the RSI indicator. It's very simple. I just did a withdrawal on this broker. I will show you right now, just in a moment. So you can also do the same. This is my live account, which is in Spanish. This is my demo account. You can open a demo account. I mean, it's a practice account if you want to test this broker, okay, before you go on real. And that's my recommendation. Okay guys, I just made a sale here of $20. Just made a sale with 1 minute expiration. Why did I make this sale? It's very simple. We have all the conditions to make the sales. One of the first condition is that we have the price in overbought zone, okay, so it's above the upper Bollinger Band. The other condition we have is that we have the RSI above the green line, which is overbought zone too. So it's confirming, you can look this, it's confirming a possible reversal point. As simple as that, guys. So it's very simple. If you want to add the Bollinger Band, you just need to click on here on this A icon. An A icon, you will see Bollinger Band. RSI, you will see here, down here. Okay. So we just won $16 with this entry. It's very simple, guys. So those are the conditions. Something else you need to know about this trading strategy is you need to take the trade just at the close of the candlestick. For example, if this candlestick, this little candlestick, which is a doji candlestick, is closing, you need to be prepared to make this sell in time, because that the expiration time here is exact. I mean, unlike the IQ option, which is not exact, this expiration, if you are going to make a trade and you put 1 minute, that trade will expire in 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds, 1 minute exactly. So guys, you need to be aware of this. You need to know when to take the entry. Okay, let's see if we can have another opportunity. It seems to be we have another opportunity here just before that. Okay, let's keep watching this pairs. Something else I want to share with you is that this trading strategy works better in a range market. Okay, so if the market is in range, whenever it touch the upper line, we can make a put option. I mean, we can make a sell. Whenever it touch the below line, I mean the down line of the Bollinger Band, and it reach this green line of the RSI, we can make a call option. Okay, so let me check. We can check another pairs just to see if it's giving us an opportunity. Okay, which one? Oh, we can trade Ethereum, we can trade the silver and some index, some companies. Let's see what happened with Bitcoin. Okay, here in Bitcoin we may have an opportunity here. We just need the RSI to go down a little bit more, but it can be a great opportunity. Since we have the market condition is in range and is also touching this down line of the Bollinger Band, but it also reaching the support level, which is the other way we can combine this trading strategy. We can combine it with the support and resistance level. So whenever it touch this support level, for example, and is below this Bollinger Band, we can make a call option. Simple as that. I think we are going to make a call option on this asset, which is Bitcoin, but I think it's a little bit risky, so let me just invest $10. Let's see how this candlestick close. Because what I see here is that the price is rejecting this level, so that is a good signal of reversal. It's a reversal point. Okay, let's make the trade just right here. At the close of this candlestick, I make the call. I buy the option. We can still have another opportunity if the price keep going down to this line. For example, if the price keep going down to this low, we can make another trade just in case we lost this one. We also have the RSI moving up, so it's a good signal. We can win this one. And yes, we won this one too, guys. So guys, as you can see, the strategy is very simple, very simple. You can also apply for yourself, but I recommend you to practice first. You need to open a demo account, as I also open a demo account before I start trading real money. Let's see the other pairs to see if we have another opportunity. Otherwise, the time, the hour is not very good. I think I will leave it for today. But it's okay. Let's see if the Bitcoin gives us an opportunity. Another opportunity, as I told you. It could get, yeah. Let's make another trade here. There's another buy. There's another buy here because it touched our low. you can see here it touched our low and is rejecting the price to keep going down. So I think it's a good opportunity to make a buy. And also the RSI is showing upstream. It's showing like a double bottom. You can see here, double bottom. So it's a reversal point. Let's see how this trade expire. Okay, we are missing 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 1 second, and guys, we won this trade too. Guys, this is the best way to trade in this broker. Okay, following this kind of strategy, it will make you be profitable. Guys, if you have any question or any comment, you can post it on our Facebook group, which link is below this video too. Or you can also put your questions on the comment section below this video. Have a nice day, and we'll see you on the next video.